Every year, thousands of South Africans finish matric and wait. They wait for universities to decide their future. At AIE, we don't wait for permission. We say yes to your future, right now. South Africa's education system is full of closed doors. But at the Academic Institute of Excellence, every door opens to opportunity. With 9 specialist schools, School of Beauty and Health Science, School of Drafting and Technical Design, School of Engineering and Science, School of Architecture and the Built Environment, School of Music and Sound Production, School of Information Technology and Data Science, School of Art and Design, School of Artisans and Trades, School of Business and Finance. AIE gives you the freedom to learn your way, in your city or online. Our students aren't waiting to find their purpose. They're already living it.
AIE gave me the confidence to start my own architect project.
I love that we work on real-world assignments.
AIE helped me realize I can actually do it.
Your future won't wait. So why should you? Registrations for 2026 are open. Join the institution built for the next generation of thinkers, creators, and innovators.